Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at building block, and this one's a little different. This is like they call mini micro building blocks 3D puzzle. There is 7,050 pieces in this set, and this is set number 8625 for 14 and up. This is from RTSEOX. This is from RTSEOKYS. I have no idea how to pronounce that. So we are going to build this one. This is going to be in a long format. It's not going to be as a short at all because there is 7,000 pieces. And so it's going to take at least 5 minutes to lay out. And it's going to take a few minutes to build it in stop motion. And we are going to do it in this video, and then we will review it in another one. If you do like these type of videos where I review where I build products and then where I review them, hi, if you do like these type of builds, please turn on the notifications, subscribe, and hit that like. If you don't want to miss out on any more, turn on all notifications. And without further ado, let's do the build. Thanks for watching, and stay collecting. Hi, thanks for watching that last video. If you're not a subscriber and you're thinking about it, it doesn't cost you anything. How about you hit that subscribe, that blue little button on the left side? And if you want to watch the next one, how about you watch that next video up there? You know, it's not going to bite. Go ahead and watch it. Come on, you know you want to.